Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create water drops on your nails. Let's pretend that this tip is your nail. First of all, you need to prepare it for covering. You will need a nail file, not more and not less than 180 grit. Carefully take off the first layer of the nail plate. Don't press on file, you just need to do your nail matte. Remove the nail dust. Look, you see? It's matte and don't have any deep damages. Then we take a base and apply with rubbing movements to the nail plate. Look, I will show you. If you do everything right, I mean preparing and applying the base, you won't have any delimitation between nail and your cover. After applying, wait a few seconds, then put it to the lamp for drying. I prefer to dry the base layer not less than 60 seconds. As a color, I choose a soft lilac color as it's shown on my title. Put the first layer and dry it for 30 seconds. Then put the second one. Look, the main drop of gel polish is on one side of the brush. Apply it and dry for 30 seconds as well. To make our color more shiny, I will use shimmer. Now we need to cover our nail with a top coat. But which one we will use? If our nails are not smooth, we need to use rubber top with no wipe to make a minimal alignment. If our nails are smooth and we need just to cover them, better to use a liquid one. So I took Uno, which is liquid. We need to dry it for not more than 30 seconds, and as it stops, we need to rub shimmer into the nail very quickly, like this. After rubbing, remove all shimmer with a soft brush, but be careful, don't scratch the cover. Then file the end of the nail just with a few moves to refresh it and remove the dust. Now we will need a liquid base. At first apply it on the end of the nail, then on all plate and dry for 30 seconds. After drying, take a special color for stamping. I choose the black one. Stamp, scratcher, and stamping plate. We will need double-sided tape as well for cleaning the stamp. Now we will stamp that picture on our nail. If you have any issues with stamping, just ping me in the comments. I will do a tutorial for you in the next video. The special colors for stamping we don't need to dry in the lamp. Just wait a little and can cover it with the top coat, better with sticky layer in this situation, and dry it for 30 seconds. For drops we will use a rubber top without sticky layer and a thin brush. Just do drops in a checkerboard pattern and dry every part of the drops for 60 seconds. And here is the beautiful result of our work. Looks very unusual and interesting, especially in the sunlight. If you like my video, please subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.